你好，同学们 Welcome to Miss Celine's classroom. In this video, you are going to learn 第11课老虎和小兔 Chapter 11 Tiger and Rabbit. First of all, let's have a look at the new words. 生词跟我读 Read after me. 把 A particle. 就 just. 关 close or turn off. 开 open or turn on. 窗子 window. 门 door. 灯 lamp or light. Now, let's read the text. 老虎来了，快把窗子关上。老虎来了，快把窗子关上。快把门关上，快把门关上。快把灯关上，快把灯关上。小白兔，请开窗。小白兔，请开窗。不开就不开，不开就不开。小白兔，请开门。小白兔，请开门。不开就不开，不开就不开。And here's the translation of the text. Now, can you translate them? The tiger is here. Quickly close the window. Quickly close the door. Quickly turn off the light. Little rabbit, please open the window. No, I'm not going to open. Little rabbit, please open the door. No, I'm not going to open. Now let's do some writing. Do follow the stroke order of each character. You may do some air writing before writing it down on a piece of paper or on your workbook. 把 a particle. 窗 window. 门 door. 灯 lamp or light. 就 just. ，Lastly, let's do a quick recap of the words you learned today. How many can you recognize? Feel free to comment below. 把 a particle. 就 just. 关 close or turn off. 开 open or turn on. 窗子 window. 门 door. 灯 lamp or light. Thank you for watching and see you next lesson. 谢谢，再见。